In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a World Clock widget to the home screen. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, hold down somewhere at a blank space on your home screen until icon start shaking, and then tap at plus sign to open up widget selector. Then scroll down until you find clock, just hit on that, and here you have to select the widget type, so you can swipe over to the left to find World Clock. It can be two different types of widget, that one and that. You can select any of them and just hold down on that widget and move it somewhere at your home screen and then hit on done. There it shows you up 4 different clocks for 4 different towns, and you can change those clocks. Just hold down on that widget, then hit on edit widget, and now here first you can switch the clocks order. Just tap and hold on this 3 lines icon and then move that city to the top or to the bottom to change their order. Also here you can change the city. Just tap on the city's name. It shows you up that list from where you can go through and select some city you want. You can also use a search for that. Let me type in Moscow, then select it, and that's it. The first city I have just changed to Moscow. And once you're done, just hit somewhere here to apply those changes for that widget. I hope it helps you guys, so don't forget to like and subscribe.